Hello everybody, SAF Simple here. Hope you are well. Today I'll show you how to set YouTube handle. It's an easy process, so let's start. First of all, go to your YouTube app and just go to the profile section here in the top right side, and then click to the your channel option, and then you can see in the last side in the pen icon, just click on that. Here you can see handle option in the second, so click on that in the pen option, and then you can see any of handle there. You can just choose whatever you want, so and then click to the OK option. After that your handle will be set. So that's the process how you can set your YouTube handle. So hopefully this helps you. If this helps you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative videos. See you in the next one. Bye.